Want to buy Bitcoin with your Skrill account? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Skrill app or website and log into your account. Make sure your Skrill balance is funded either by bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Once your account is ready, go to the Crypto tab in Skrill's dashboard. From here, select Bitcoin BTC. Then choose the amount you want to purchase. You can either buy it in fiat currency like USD or Euros, or set the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to own. Skrill will show you the exchange rate and fees before confirming. After that, just hit buy and the Bitcoin will be added instantly to your Skrill crypto wallet. If you want to move it off Skrill, you'll need to use their withdrawal to external wallet feature, but note that some fees may apply. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can buy Bitcoin directly with your Skrill account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.